If your bath fan motor is loud or noisy, here are the two most probable causes. The exhaust fan motor bearings may be worn out. Try wiggling the motor shaft back and forth. If the shaft moves even slightly, it's likely the motor bearings are defective. Since the bearings are not repairable, you'll need to replace the fan motor with a new one to solve the problem. A damaged or obstructed fan blade or blower wheel could result in noisy operation as well. Remove the obstruction, if applicable, and confirm the part is not rubbing against the fan housing. If damaged, you should replace the component with a new one. If there is no visible damage or obstruction, try rotating the blade or wheel by hand. If the component does not turn freely, again, the fan motor may be defective. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your bath fan.